Beam3D is a newcomer to the 3D printing market, and after a very successful Kickstarter and Indiegogo campaign, they released this easy-to-use resin 3D printer that won't break the bank, the Prism. This little resin 3D printer isn't just great at printing high-resolution models, but also packs a ton of features, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experts alike. Let's break it down. From the all-metal chassis to its linear rail motion system, the Prism was built to deliver high-quality prints for years to come. Its dual linear rails enable reliable and consistent Z movement, which is essential for the mechanics of any LCD-based resin printer. And its 2K LCD screen ensures that every print is of the highest resolution possible. Prism features a cleverly designed 57-watt parallel LED array, which uses tiny lenses to disperse light evenly across the entire build area, meaning that users can take full advantage of its print volume, which is one of the largest build areas compared to other UV LCD 3D printers in its class. The most troublesome part of the setup process for any 3D printer is its leveling procedure. Fortunately, the team at Beam3D took steps to make sure this process is as simple as possible. Prism features a true hands-off auto-leveling system. At the start of each print, or when the printer is homed, Prism will automatically complete build plate leveling, without the need for any input on the part of the users, ensuring your first layer comes out just right. So instead of going back and forth with trial and error getting the printer to cooperate, sit back and let the Prism take care of it for you. Resin 3D printing differs from filament-based 3D printing in that you can't just crank up the heat to get a better print. You need to experiment with how much UV light exposure every layer gets. While most resin-based printers come equipped with a few profiles for their own proprietary resins, the Prism takes it one step further with the Resin Calibration feature. This built-in feature enables users to skip the guesswork when printing with resins they may be unfamiliar with. Simply pour the resin in the vat and run the resin calibration print test to determine the optimal cure time for the resin being used. Then all you have to do is pick which object has the best result. Or if you're already in the middle of a print, you can adjust those same settings on the fly and continue printing. Unlike many 3D printers, which are locked into proprietary slicer software, Prism supports all major SLA slicers and will continue to be updated with additional slicer software as SLA 3D printing continues to evolve. With Prism, the choice is yours. Beam3D's latest Resin 3D printer, the Prism, aims to make Resin 3D printing more accessible to a wider range of users through its ease of use and its intelligent design. So if you've been looking at joining the Resin 3D printing community, this might be your best and most affordable option yet. To learn more and order yours today, go to MatterHackers.com. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the video. Hope you guys enjoyed finding out a bit more about the Prism Resin 3D printer from Beam3D. For more digital fabrication content, be sure to subscribe and be sure to check out some awesome articles over at MatterHackers.com. Bye.